how to cut down carbon emissions of manufacturing cost effectively? If you want to know the answer, follow us. In Finland, there is a great potential for quality wood, and it's dominant in most parts of the country's surface. For this reason, it's a renewable energy alternative that we can use to reach a low-carbon society.
A good way to reduce emissions in the construction is to use wood, combining with other materials. It also contributes that if there is good solubility, we can make the buildings more efficient in the production of energy. Here we have an example, a center where they study how to carry out these innovations.
A good option to promote wood constructions is by using to make public buildings such as schools or student residences or the other service infrastructures for the population such as the Joensuu arena. Here we find a good example that large wooden constructions are also viable.
This is Lighthouse, wood building in preparing for a student apartment. It will be the highest wooden building in Finland. And it's a nice example of a public investment to make this type of housing to come to the people and know their benefits and boost it. One of the solutions is that we make adjustments from policy and other to incorporate actions that lead us to societies go down in carbon. For example, it is compulsory to incorporate the wood in part of the constructions, or also give support to these alternatives.
The material of all wooden houses can be used to rebuild new buildings or new products in wood, and therefore recycling still reduces carbon emissions because it's not necessary to cut more wood and it's not left as a waste.
Another way to cut down carbon dioxide emissions by the wooden manufacturing is thinking about furniture, because it's a thing that we use every day in everywhere and maybe we are not aware of it. It is necessary to promote the purchase of local products to reduce emissions of transport of imported materials.
Here we can see a common, medium and cheap furniture that we can find in any conventional store anywhere in the world. And here we can see an artisan furniture produced with local wood of great quality, but that is a little expensive. So, what is the best option for a low-carbon society? Although the second option is more expensive, it's the best solution to contribute to reduction of emissions. Because it's useful, life is much longer and of more quality, and with time amortized, it's only necessary to buy once.
Another good option to promote the purchase of this type of furniture is that the public spaces use them and thus the citizens can see them. In Joensuu, for example, we can see it in different places, like Green Star Restaurant, where we are now.
In places like the Metlo, they do research to carry out this initiative and improve them. And the most important question is that these ideas reach everyone, both citizens, politicians, and large companies.
In conclusion, using local wood is the answer of our initial question. Think global, act local.